Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you are okay. So, before starting the lesson, let's recite Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let me ask you a question. Not a question, but maybe some questions. Did you have breakfast this morning? Have you eaten your breakfast? Did you still remember things you did yesterday? Did you still remember about your experience last week? So today, this morning, we'd like to talk about recount text. So recount text is a type of text that tells about the real past experience happened to someone. So in recount text, we incorporating the past event. Let's move on to the definitions. So definitions of recount text is it tells about the real past experience occurred to someone or somebody. So the next thing about recount text is the structure of the story. The first one is orientations. Here it tells about introduction of the story, and the second is the series of events or the main story in chronological order, and the last one is reorientations. It's closing, include about resume of the story, including the opinion of the writer. And let's talk about the language feature used in recount text. So past tense is the main tenses used in recount text. So past tense, there are two types of past tense. There are two types of verbs used in past tense. The first one is irregular and regular. If it is regular, you just put d or ed after the verb. But if it is irregular, you should check in the dictionary because it will be different from the first type. The form is changed. So you have to memorize about the irregular verbs because the numbers are limited, and if you don't find the verb in irregular verbs, it means it is regular. Okay. The next language features in recount text are temporal sequence. It means that the sequence telling about time, such as when, while, and the next about focus on specific participants. Here we use action verbs like move, went, work, etc. Now we go on to the examples of recount text. The first thing is diary. So do you always write your diary every day? So if you write things about your experience in one day, every day, it means that you write your own diary. It can be a form of your your life experience. The second thing is biography. Bio means life and graph means writing. So biography is the life of someone written by others based on research. And autobiography means the life of someone is written by himself or herself, also based on facts. So if you write your diary, it can be your autobiography one day. And the next thing is about historical places, such as the historical places of Istana Negara, or any places that keeps memories about things. This time we talk about biography. The function of biography is tells about someone's life story, so we can learn some values from it and also educate us to follow the model given by him or her. To be more specific about biography, let me give you example about a public figure, a very famous person in Indonesia, especially in this um, celebrations of Independence Day. It's Mr. Sukarno. Who knows about him? I believe everyone knows. He is the first president and also the proclamator of Indonesia. And I give you the link to click on because the next task will be given based on it. Just click on it and then answer the questions in your timeline. Okay, students, that's all from me. So thank you for watching. I'd like to appreciate your attentions and see you in the next video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next meeting. Bye bye.